Uh. Yeah.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be painting this Asgardian commander from Atlanforge and his cyber wolf companion. So let's get straight into it. Unfortunately I don't have the footage for the first few steps of this painting guide, but all I did was prime him in grey and give him a nice wash of null oil to bring out all the details. The cyber wolf and all the cloaks and pelts on the model are the only things that are not washed. So to start off, I'm going to paint the power armor by layering on neutral grey from Valen model color. I'm going to thin this down a little bit with water and then I'm going to layer it on over the armor, keeping all the null oil wash in all the deep recesses. For the wolf and the fur details plus the bones, I'm going to start off by painting it all in Provincial Beige by Joe Sanchez. I don't want to use too many different colors on this model. I would like to use this as a color scheme for an actual army. Which means the less different colors I use, the quicker the process will become. While the bone and fur details are drying, I'm going to start painting all the filigree across all the models. I'm going to be using Dwarven Gold from scale 75. This will take about 2 coats. I recommend thinning down the paint slightly more than usual, so it can flow better into all the rune writing. I'm going to start painting Skeleton Horde across all the bone details. This should make a small tone difference between both the bone and the fur details. I'm not going to thin this down at all, I'm just going to come straight from the plot. The fur details and the wolf are all going to be washed with Agrux Earthshade. All the gold details will be washed with contrast Nazdrag yellow. I won't be thinning this down at all. I had base coated all the silver details in Vallejo Model Air aluminium, then washed it all with null oil from Games Workshop. Now to highlight the armor. I'm going to do edge highlighting using Nimbus Grey from Joe Sanchez. You don't have to edge highlight every single panel, just the most prominent ones or areas you need visual interest in. My final edge highlight for the armor will be with titanium white from Joe Sanchez. I'm going to mix this 50-50 with the Nimbus grey, just to lighten the grey up a bit. I'm mainly going to focus this color on all the prominent corners of the armor, and maybe some of the middle areas of where the original highlight was. To highlight all the fur textures on the wolf and on the cloaks, I'm going to use my original color of Provincial Beige, and I'm going to just dry brush it over the texture. And finally, to highlight the bone, I'm going to mix 50-50 the Provincial Beige and Iraqi Sand model color. And I'm just going to highlight the tops of all the bones. Thanks for watching this video, where we painted this amazing Atlanforge Asgardian miniature. I hope you enjoyed the process as much as I did. I have to say it was an absolute blast. The Asgardian faction by Atlanforge is one of my favorites, and this miniature is no exception. I'm proud how it turned out with all the striking colors and details. I want to give a special thanks to all of you watching and supporting my channel. Your encouragement motivates me to create more content that I'm passionate about, and I'm grateful for that. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And if you have any feedback or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks again for joining me on this painting journey, and I can't wait to see you all in my next one.